To use Artbox, we need to create a folder where the project will be stored. After that, navigate to the terminal to clone the project. We need to navigate to the GitHub repository at the following link. We will have to clone the repository as follows. Copy the provide link, navigate to the project location, open the terminal, and enter the following command. After completing these steps, we will proceed with the installation of prerequisites. Open the project in Visual Studio Code. Access to the terminal and enter the command to create an environment for Artbox. In my case, Artbox test. Following that, we need to activate the created environment using the following command. The last word of the command will depend on the name of the environment you have created. It's also important to install NumPy library with the version displayed on the screen. As a final step, we will install Artbox using the command Let's walk through an example of usage. First, create a directory named Artbox with the temp directory in the file system using the command. The README file will contain instructions on how to use Artbox functionalities. In this example, we will convert text to audio, following the steps outlined in the documentation. Copy this line and modify it as needed based on your requirements. In the example, we have the message Bom dia mundo in Portuguese. We can change it for Hello World in English, or we can change it for Hola Mundo in Spanish. Then, using the next command, you can convert the message to voice. You can specify the location, the name, and don't forget to specify the language to be used. For example, PT for Portuguese and ES for Spanish. Once done, simply execute that command, and the file will be generated at the specific path. Remember that Artbox can be used not only to convert text to audio, but also to download YouTube videos, create songs based on musical notes, remove audio from a video, extract audio from a video, and combine audio and video files.